Hey guys, welcome back today another new earning video. Okay, first click now your Gmail option. Okay, automatically login your account, website link video description. Okay, first step apps download. Okay, download now this button and see watching now TM social network YouTube channel with Asif Khan. Okay, first download now this earning apps and open. Okay, and signing now same Gmail. Okay, click now Google option and select your same Gmail account. Okay, just waiting now. Okay, automatically login my account. Okay, then back. First step complete. Okay, first step complete and second step 6 spin. Okay, just click now go button, open. Sorry, just click now open external apps. Okay, open, automatically apps open and 6 spin completing now. Okay, 4 spin complete, refresh this button. Okay, 6 spin complete and click now claim reward 200 coins free. Okay, 200 coins free, all apps download and 200 coins free, all apps. See you watching now, all apps. Okay, same process and ranking number, see you ranking number and your tax, all tax complete and unlimited PayPal, Payeer, TRX, Gcash, all currency available now. Okay, any country payment available. Okay, this website 100% trusted. Trust me, this website 100% trusted. Unlimited payment proof already share my YouTube channel. Okay, do not miss this video and other apps download now. Same process, 6 spin complete and advanced tax. See you watching now advanced tax. Okay, level complete and unlimited coins earning. Okay, then I am click now withdraw button PayPal. Okay, PayPal available, just click now PayPal button, 10,000 coins, $0.6 available, and I click now TRX button, TRX tone, all countries supported. Okay, only 8,000 coins. Okay, available for TRX and Payeer available, and click now Gcash. Gcash only Philippines available and Dana. Okay, this country I'm not understand. Thanks for watching my video. This earning apps website 100% trusted, unlimited payment proof already I share my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.